Hi guys, it's Ramon Arciniega, sales professional with Permian Ford. Thank you for browsing our inventory.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a very popular color. Features also include remote start, premium sound system, leather seats, heads-up display. With these ratings,
make a great choice today with the 2016 Chevy Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.
Thank you for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 575-393-6176.